Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki Drew, and today's video is going to be my Thanksgiving tutorial.
Hey guys, it's me editing in the future. Hi, how are you? And I did not get this up in time for Thanksgiving, but it's still a banger holiday look and also a just nice cranberry look.
Yay! So I did this look on my Instagram as a 1-minute tutorial, as I always do. If you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you do so now so you guys can see every day makeup tutorials. I upload every single day a new look. I'm just gonna let you guys see this look. I'm gonna shut up and stop talking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel though, and like and comment this video. Bye. So I'm just gonna go straight into this tutorial. Alright, so we're gonna moisturize, and then you guys know I use this Lancome gel energy stuff. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and moisturize because that is the first thing first. First thing first, I'm the realist. And that was the Iggy reference for those who live under a rock. So yeah, so I'm gonna use this Tasha Dewy Skin Mist. You guys literally know I'm obsessed. Oh my god, I just literally sprayed myself in the eye with it. We're gonna go in with this Bobbi Brown base. This is the vitamin C base that I've been using ever since my most expensive, me trying out like my most expensive makeup. Guys, I've literally just like been obsessed with this stuff. Like, it's such a good gem. And if you guys haven't seen that video, I will go ahead and put an info link over here or over here so you guys can check it out. I think that video is actually really dope, and I'm really proud of it. And then I'm still going to film an opposite video to that. I'm going to film the using my most inexpensive makeup version of that video for you guys, but I just haven't gotten around to it because it is the holidays, and the holidays is cray. I'm going to go in with the Hangover Primer from Too Faced because I'm going to be using the Born This Way foundation, and I just think that this and the foundation just really go together really well. I'm going to go in with the Born This Way foundation. Like I said before, I'm in the shade Shy, whichever one you want to pronounce that. I do go between this and Spice Rum. I go back and forth all the time, so depending on the mood that I'm in. Okay, we'll just skip that. Yeah. So yeah, the holidays is here. My mom is actually flying in today at 3:30, so it's about 11:30. So yeah, I should be done with my makeup by then. We'll see. But my trainer, yeah, I have a trainer, guys, because I've been trying to work out. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the most high use sculpting concealer, super coverage. So basically, my trainer even suggests that I do at least a 1 high carb day a week. So this is just going to be the start of that. And I'm just going to use this as an excuse to do that. If you guys want to see any workout videos, comment below. My workout routine has definitely fits my life. My trainer has definitely tried to come through for me. I'm not really like his biggest fan, low-key, because he tried it. He tried to schedule me without my permission. I had to put him in his place. Like, no, I'm not the one. I'm using this Black Radiance. Found like it's this Black Radiance stick. I don't even know what it is called, but it's just like a concealer stick, and it's in the shade Dark. And I've just been using this since I started doing makeup. Like, I never left this. So basically, yeah, we're gonna get some Thanksgiving food happening. What are you guys doing for Thanksgiving? Do you guys fly home? Does everybody fly to your house? I wish that I had a big house. Like, it's times like this that I regret not buying a house. If you guys are new to my channel, you don't know that I went house hunting this year because me and my husband, we were gonna buy a house, and we were really close. Like, we literally put an offer on a house, so we were really close to buying a house. And then it just wasn't the right time. It just wasn't in the cards for us to buy a house at the time that we wanted to. So we're still in our apartment, and it's just times like this that I just really wish that we had a house, because I really want my whole family to come here, and we don't have space for them because we live in an apartment. So yeah, do you guys live in an apartment? Do you guys have your whole family come visit you? Do you live in a big house where everybody comes stay, or do you like fly out to your family? Yeah, it's the favorite time of the year. I'm definitely going to participate in Vlogmas. Last year, my biggest regret is not participating in Vlogmas last year. And that's just, it's a lot of stuff. Like, my biggest regret is not vlogging when I was traveling last year, because like I said, like, I traveled so much last year and I didn't vlog a goddamn thing because I just was my worst critic. I just thought that, oh, you don't have a good vlog camera, and you know, people are not gonna want to watch you know, something off an iPhone when they could watch a real vlogger who invested in a vlog camera. So like I just like literally talked myself into not being successful, which is a real thing. So this year I'm definitely going to participate in Vlogmas. I'm definitely going to vlog every single time that I travel. Like y'all best believe if I'm on a plane, the camera is on because I'm not missing out on any more vlog opportunities, okay? We are not missing out on any more vlog opportunities. So I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal my eyelid. I have really bad anxiety. Like when I say that, I'm not just talking stuff. Like I've literally been to therapy for my anxiety, and the holidays just doesn't help my anxiety. If you guys can relate, let me know. Then there's Thanksgiving, and then there's Christmas, and then there's my husband's birthday, and then it's my birthday, and it's our anniversary, and then there's Valentine's Day, and it's just like, oh my god, I just can't. Like I just want to black out and then wake me up when it's over and when it's spring break. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. Guys, I love this sponge. If they ever try to discontinue this, like me and Morphe are gonna square up because, oh my god. So I'm waiting on my James Charles palette to come in the mail. I'm also waiting on my Huda Beauty, what is it called? Like the nude palette. I know, why did I just say that knowing that I know what it's called? But I'm waiting on my Huda Beauty nude palette to also come in the mail. And then I will happily do a review for those things, guys. We're definitely super excited about. I'm more excited about the Huda Beauty, I'm not gonna lie, just because it took me a minute to get that. It's been out for a minute and I obviously could have got it, but I just was kind of skeptical, not gonna lie. I saw some reviews and I was like, we don't know. But I just decided, if anything, I'm gonna see for myself, and if anything, you guys will get a real authentic review on the palette, because you guys know that I don't have no reason to lie here. Like, this is my channel, this is my room, this is like real life. So if you guys want to see a review on the Huda Beauty nude palette, if you guys want to see a review on the James Charles Artist Unleash Your Inner Artist palette, make sure you subscribe, because I did order those palettes and they will be coming super soon, and I will make sure I have those videos up for you guys right after Thanksgiving. So yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and use, girl, this happens every time on my channel, like sis. Well, we're just gonna go ahead into the Sultry palette real quick. I'm gonna go into the shade Bloom. Okay, so that's the last of this palette. You guys will probably see her again pretty soon, because I've been loving this palette. This is my third time filming with this. It's a banger. But we're definitely gonna go into this gingerbread, the star of the show. So this is what she looks like. This is a gingerbread spice palette by Too Faced, and it came with a whole collection. I don't have the whole collection. I just have the palette. I literally just watched my own tutorial to figure out how I did this look, because I forgot. So apparently I went into this pinky shade here, and this is Look at My Cookie. Okay. So I'm gonna go into Look at My Cookie. I'm gonna use the same Anastasia brush, because I'm literally just going to buff out my crease so that it's just not like this harsh pink. I wanted to transition into this pink, so we're just gonna go over it just a little. So I'm gonna go into this really pretty burgundy shade here. It matches my shirt. This is Figgy Putty. These name shades. I'm using the same brush so far. And I'm just gonna cover this with my whole lid, because we're gonna cut the crease anyways. Wait, my mom's calling. Hello?
Baby,
yeah.
Because we just made it to Ohio.
Mom, it takes like 3 hours to get to Cleveland. Ohio's a huge state. You're not, yeah, I know you seem close, but trust me, like it's like 3 hours to drive through to get to Cleveland.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And when if you want to ask your bus driver, okay. Honestly, guys, I really do like this look as is. Like, she's kind of cute without, you know, the cutting crease and all that stuff. She's kind of wearable, actually. Like, she's kind of cute. So I'm gonna go into this glittery shade in here. This is going to go right on top of where I cut my crease. I'm gonna go in with this middle shade. This is like my bronzer brush, so it might be bronzer product on here too. I'm gonna go in with my face powder from Sephora, and I do have two. I have this one, which is a little bit bright for me right now. I'm gonna just take some brush, and I'm just gonna literally just set my entire face. We're gonna take my Marc Jacobs eyeliner. I use this all the time for my under eye. Like, there's literally no under eye eyeliner better than this. Like, this is all I know. We're gonna go in with a highlight. Okay, I need to calm down. I'm gonna go back into the Sultry palette, and I'm gonna go into Rose Quartz. Where is she? She's right here. I didn't do this last time. This isn't a part of the original look, but I'm feeling spicy, so I'm gonna highlight the inner corner of my eye. And usually you want to do this before you put on lashes, like, duh. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. Yes, this come through. Honey, the end is near. We are on to a blush. I feel like I used this palette in my last video, so maybe I won't use this again for a while because I don't want to keep using the same products. It's just that these shades are so perfect for Thanksgiving. Like, they're cranberry and they're fall and they're just perfect for this theme. But I'm going to go into these two shades, just mix this lightly. Gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Breezy highlighter. Whoa. Just something about like that champagne. Like, look at that. That's so pretty. Last but not least, I'm gonna take this Kylie and Jordan highlighter palette. Guys, this is actually a really good highlighter palette. Like, low-key a banger. And I'm gonna just take this Best Life shade, this gold shade. I'm gonna go over this Breezy because I didn't like how that came out. This is the ColourPop lip liner, and this is in R&B. I'm gonna line my lips with this. This is the Melted Matte from Too Faced, and this is in On Point, which is exactly the goal that we are trying to be on Thanksgiving. We're trying to be on point. So we're gonna use this Morphe setting spray, set everything together. Make sure that she's not trying to run off on the plug anytime soon. And all right, guys, we're gonna let the wig come through. Okay, we are serving Thanksgiving goodness. Hello, show up 10 hours later like I've arrived. Where's the food? Okay, so guys, this is going to be her final look. What do we think? But yeah, this is going to be the final look. How did I do? So thank you so much for watching this video and joining my channel. If you guys aren't already subscribed, please make sure you do so. And if you are a new subscriber, make sure you comment after you subscribe and let me know that you just subscribed so I can thank you personally and say hello. I'm very grateful for all of you, every single one of you guys. I'm very, very grateful and thankful for you guys who share my life with me on this channel. I'm grateful for all of my new subscribers that I'm going to get from this video because this video is popping and you guys will like me, so you're going to subscribe to me. Alright guys, but I hope you guys have a great holiday. I would love to know what look you choose to do for your Thanksgiving dinner. Let me know how your Thanksgiving goes. Let me know what looks you guys choose to do for Thanksgiving. If you do a red look or a cranberry look or any other holiday toned look, I would love to see it. Tag me in your photos if you recreate this photo. If you don't have me on Instagram, plug right here, all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next one.